effects. Yeah.
What's up guys?
Dito nga pala kami sa davilan. Apat kami mamaya. Nung nakaraang linggo, sinira namin from Silang from Kalamba Baywalk. 30 km papunta ron. Bali-balikan 60. Ngayon, titirahin naman namin. Ayan o, yan ang mga kasama natin. Ito talaga, hindi mawawala talaga. Hindi mawawala talaga pagkasama natin to. Boss Ilyas. Yan. Yung guys, na kami. Sa danger zone na paakyat. 25 km yan eh. Simula ron sa atin. Hanggang nandun daw. Balikan 50, pamatay.
Yeah. I never take doubt as a lesson. I never second guess it. Take negativity and reject it. I got my mind blind to rejection, so I'll be just fine. Don't be wasting any time with discretion. I run this campaign like I'm running an election. I pop this champagne like we're not in a recession. I feel no damn pain. Ibuprofen is a blessing. Feel it pumping through my veins. Got me feeling like I'm flexing, yeah.
Yung mga bahay niya, no? Alam mo kung ano yan? Diyan sinuting all Lord of the Ring. Oh, dyan, tinan mo. Tinan nyo. Oh, dyan, sinuting. Lord of the Ring. Dinapansin mo. Sinuting. Lord of the Ring. Dinapansin mo. Bahay pa lang. Alam mo na. Alam mo na, di ba? Ito yung landscape na ginagawa nila. Hanggang hindi pa tapos. Oh, the ring kung tawagin nila yan. The ring. Hindi pa tapos eh. Landscape ni direct eh. The ring yan.
Ano masasabi mo sa ahon, Boss Mel?
Ayos lang. Unli. Unli ahon. No, ito talaga pinakamalakas talaga umahon din ako. Tignan mo ito. No, yan. Pinakamalakas umahon. Nauna yung gulong. Nauna lagi gulong.
Boss Mel, asa na tayo?
Yes, asa na ba tayo?
Malapit na.
Lapit na raw sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Sabi na pa may nagbubag pero parang walang katapusan to eh. Yung dulo no, parang dulo, nasa dulo ng talaga eh. Diba? Ano, okay? Tatricycle tayo? Pagod na?
Basta kayo na tayo pa uwi.
Ikaw, saan tayo pa uwi? Kaya pa ng mga boys. Kulang kami ng dalawa eh, kasi yung dalawa wala eh. Nagpuyat eh. Yun. Nakasama mga tropa mo.
I'm in motion, I'm obsessive like the ocean, I'm relentless. No promotion, still progressing, overdosing on these lessons. And these words my only weapon, cut you deep, oh yeah, I threaten. Feel the heat and all the tension, need relief from this whole session. But I keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it, every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed, on this grind you always stress. So I work harder than the rest, that always said to do my best.
I don't ever doubt myself, I can count on no one else. And I do not need your help, I was told to show, not tell. I don't ever.
So, walang perfect surprise. Ganda ng simbahan nila rito guys. Ang maraming rebulto. Ilang feet siguro yan. Ang laki. Ang maraming rebulto. Simbahan ng Silang looban. Ang dami pong nagsisimba rito guys. Marami. Guys, lalapitan natin sila guys. Lapitan sila guys. Picture daw guys. Kasi nandun yung bike ko. Ganda ng simbahan ng Silang. Ganda simbahan ng Silang dito guys. Makikita nyo. Grabe. Suabe. Looban nga lang. Makikita nyo. Close na close guys. Yan o, ang laki niyan guys. Diba? Silang to, simbahan ng Silang. Yan o. Ang ganda guys, pati crucifix nila. Yan o. Yan ang crucifix nila guys. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Crucifix nila rito. Ayos na ayos. Simbahan din naman. Ang laki. Ano simbahan guys.
Without myself, I can count on no one else, and I do not need your help. I was told to show, not tell, so watch me. So watch me.
Man, this beat got me aggressive, got me on the straight offensive. You can't stop this straight direction, cause it runs without an engine. Oh, when did I fail to mention that I need all your attention? Cause we're failing in retention, listen up or just forget it. I ain't here to spit perfection, I embrace my imperfections. I just want all that's neglected to hear something they connect with. So I use my only method, all these words that I've invested. I don't hope that they're impressive, I just hope that they're effective.
Dito kami guys. Sa loob ng simbahan may mga tindahan dito guys. Ano kami ng snack. Snack lang, snack. Ayan. So, sa inyo guys, may nakakainan sa likod. Dami na check dito guys. Diba? Ayan.
I swear to God, if you want it, then you got to get it. Cause when I'm on my deathbed, no, I will not regret it. You only got one life, one shot, don't let it slip away. Today, get up and make a big change, huh? You decide your own future, a winner or a loser, a headline or a rumor, on the bench or a shooter, superstar or recruiter, defensive prosecutor, just living a consumer, or will you be a producer? If you have a dream, go capture it, go activate, get off your ass and take some action, bitch. Start acting like you want this shit, cause passion ain't compassionate. Too many people want this shit, it's not enough you're talented, you have to fucking grab it. I'm sick of being adequate, another college graduate, just looking for an advocate to hire me to pack your shit. You want it, take a stab at it, you need it, then get after it. These people, they don't matter, shit, just block them out and capture it.
I don't ever doubt myself, I can count on no one else, and I do not need your help. I was told to show, not tell. I don't ever doubt myself, I can count on no one else, and I do not need your help. I was told to show, not tell, so watch me. Watch me.
Hello, what's up guys? Pauwi na kami. Kasama namin si Boss Silas na muntik kong sumemplang kanina. Tama pala doon, nakakatakyot. Ha? Nakakatakyot. Kaway naman, mga kasama natin mga bagets. Kaway! Kaway! Ito na lang tatapusin yung video na to. Lahat kami, laspag na. Men.